Good afternoon. My name is Christine Sorrentino, and I am the instructor for Intro to Grammar. I'm currently a teacher at Bergen Catholic High School. I teach English and religion, and this class is designed for students who want to gain a better understanding of grammar, to help them write better, to help them read better, and to help them score better on certain standardized tests such as the ACT and the SAT. I've been with Bergen Catholic now for about 7 years, and prior to that, I taught at a school in Jersey City for 4 years. So, getting into the Intro to Grammar course, this course is going to go over and get into the details and nitty-gritty of grammar. Some of you may be familiar with some of the topics, some of you may not. The way grammar is taught today in our grammar schools is much different than it was years ago. So in this class, we're going to get into the 8 parts of speech: nouns, pronouns, verbs, adverbs, prepositions, and the such. And we're going to understand what purpose they play in sentences. We're going to understand how, with clauses, independent and dependent clauses, when they make up sentences, how that makes the writing style a little bit better. Also, a lot of times on standardized tests, you're asked to do subject-verb agreement. Understanding what a subject is. Understanding, is it past tense or present tense? Making sure that the tenses match within a sentence, within a paragraph, so that you can pick out the errors, because that is a big part of some of that standardized testing. Being able to write better, also, that you aren't switching your verb tenses as you go throughout your essay, making sure that they are all standard, making sure that you're using varied sentence structure to make your writing more interesting. So all of this information we'll be going over within this class. The class will be set up by modules, where we cover the parts of speech first, and each part of speech will have its own module, and we'll get into really some of the nitty-gritty stuff, because with nouns alone, it sounds simple: a person, place, or thing, but then you have a common noun, a proper noun, a collective noun, what type of verb goes with those nouns. So there's a lot of detail that needs to be sorted out to understand and ensure words are being used the proper way. In addition to this class and exercises that I give to you, I'll also post resources here with other websites where you can go and practice, other videos that might explain a topic a little bit differently so that you can understand it as the best that you can, and other extra practice worksheets and websites so that you can really gain mastery of some of these topics. So the best way to reach me is through my email, which is csorrentino@bergencatholic.org. I answer my emails within 24 hours. You could call the school and leave a message as well. I return phone calls within 24 hours as well. As we get into the class a little bit more, I will set up a time each week, whether it's through Blackboard Collaborate or Zoom, so that we can meet face to face, because sometimes when trying to ask a question, it's hard to verbalize it through typing. And, on this worksheet, number 2, it might be easier that if we're face to face, I can answer your question with a little bit more ease so that both of us don't get frustrated in that process. I look forward to getting into grammar more so with everyone, and I look forward to our first class. Thank you very much for your time.